Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is my second video. I'm super excited. I thought that we get a little bit more comfortable in front of the camera by doing a hair tutorial. So I already have my makeup on. I'm going to teach you how to get natural looking curls. We're going to make our hairstyle look glamorous. Everyone loves this hairstyle. I posted this on Instagram about a week and a half ago, and I got comments wondering what tool I used and how I got my hair like that. A lot of people even thought it was my natural hair, which it's not. So today we're going to be learning how to put natural curls into your hair, that big, almost fro-like style. It's really in this year. I think 2018 for hairstyles is going to be a lot about texture, kind of bringing like the 90s texture back. Today we're going to be using this wand called the Pearl. It is by NuMe, and Be Warned, your tool, if you get the same brand as me, is very, very hot. It does come with one of those gloves, but I don't use it. A lot of people don't. I know Bedhead sells a wand just like this. You could call it like the bubble wand. The hotter the wand, the less you have to hold it there, which I personally like. So let's jump right in. I have a lot of hair, and it's going to take a long time. So when I know I'm going to do this kind of style, I do this anyways, but I let my hair air dry after the shower and I don't brush it. Bit of a wave to my hair naturally. Last night I washed it and I just let it dry. I slept on it. There's some I don't even know what's going on back here. There's some crinkles. Things are kind of messy and I like it. The first thing you're going to want to do, of course, is protect your hair and use a heat protectant. This one you can find at Sally's. It is called the On the Zone Turn Up the Heat. The only thing, I like this one a lot and I've used it since high school, is like you can't get too heavy with it because it is kind of like an oily one, which some people don't like, but my ends are kind of dry, so I like the oil. As I am putting this in my hair, I'm kind of brushing through my hair with my fingers. Last time I did this hairstyle, I didn't comb my hair, and I kind of regretted it because as you put the curls in, obviously you're kind of curling in the knots as well. I am going to lightly comb through my hair, but my favorite brush is, of course, the wet brush. I hope you have one of these in your life, and if you don't have one, I hope you get one soon because it'll change lives. Especially, I feel like little kids' lives. Like, if you have a little kid and they have little tangly hair and they cry when you brush their hair, get them a wet brush. Usually with any hairstyle, I just like to work up the head. From the bottom of the nape up to the crown of my head where my bang area is. I'm going to take out like an inch of hair. What you're going to do is you're just going to get a section about an inch this way, an inch wide, and at the root you're going to twist back. Twist, grab your wand, hopefully I don't burn myself, just at the root really, and then you're going to start at that top indent and work your way down. And then with these you do want to get it pretty close to the bottom because usually natural hair, you know how you do those like beach waves and you leave like it straight at the ends? This natural hair, kind of you want to curl to all the way down. So sometimes I will take it out on the end and then just kind of run it through it like that. I didn't explain it in this first one, but you're going to want to unravel it the same way you raveled it up. So you want these curls to stay in their shape until they're fully cool. When I'm not close to the nape area or the skin, what I'll do is I'll twist up. And then do you see how I'm untwisting it? I put this in because you're supposed to not have background music because of copyright, but I like to listen to music, of course, when you get ready. Who doesn't want to listen to music when they get ready? So again, just a little square section like this, a little twist at the root, and just start wrapping it down. going to take it and I'm going to twist towards the scalp to get it really close, because with natural looking curls you want it to go from the roots to the ends to make it look like that's how your hair grows. I don't know, probably like 5 to 10 seconds. And then I'm unraveling. This hairstyle does take some time to do, but once you do it, it's done. You're getting compliments left and right, and you could wear it for a couple days. Like on the second day or something, wear it half up and half down. I think that's really cute. Or even in a ponytail. You just have that texture to your hair to play around with a couple different hairstyles. I should probably check if it's recording, because last time I recorded a video, it stopped recording. Ain't gonna happen this time. We're good. Knock on wood. Okay. My arm is already getting tired. So if you're in the Vegas area and you don't want to do this yourself because it's a little time consuming and hurts your arms, come to me and I will curl your hair for you. And then of course, I plan to put lots of videos up, so if you're interested in sticking around, then subscribe to my channel. And then we can, you know, vibe together and make a little community here. I'm having trouble. Another thing is I'm just always holding it down. That's my dog. Twist it in. Sadie. Okay, so we're getting there. Love to piece out. Great. Get out of here, Khaleesi. I have one dog, 2 dogs. One of them's my brother's. Her name is Khaleesi, and she's a golden retriever. She's actually under this table right now. And then I have a Maltipoo. Her name is Sadie, and I've had her since I started high school. She is 11 years old. Khaleesi's 4. She's about to be 4 next week. Might wanna, you know, spritz never hurts no one. So this is just a fast dry finishing spray, and it's Joico. Now we're probably gonna speed things up. I'm gonna knock this out. Knock it out. And then these front pieces, I really want to emphasize on that little twist at the root, because obviously these are the money pieces. I guess it'd be better to put the glove on. But the hair, you hold such a little piece, the glove makes it impossible to hold on to the hair. Beauty is pain. Just leave it there. Beauty is pain. We are still going. Charge it. So now that we're getting to the front portion, or the top portion of my hair, I'm just working it from the back of my head up. So I'm just going to start taking sections this way and pulling them back and just really curling on the top of my head, straight up. Okay, so we're almost to the end. We just have my bang area to do. I really want to get these top curls as close as possible to the scalp area so that our curls look nice and natural. And let that fall that way, so then we have that big bang area. going to twist my little baby hairs right in and curl away from my face. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. See, this section is like really parted interestingly, and I like that. That way you don't have like harsh parts at the top of your head. Last piece. Get this little spritz. Twist and twist. Again, if you are far out from your scalp, you can just rotate it towards the scalp, just half a turn, and it will get you to where you need to be. Okay. Okay, so this is what you look like after. You have all of these little tight, wormy curls. Not that cute just yet. A little bit. We don't want these too crunchy. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna shake your hair out. I like to kind of put my fingertips from the root and get the roots all meshed together. You don't want to be too rough with them in the beginning either, because you want this to last and it'll just kind of naturally get to where you want it to be to look really cute. Through a little bit here. But this is what your hair should look like after. You can kind of like pump the curl like that style. So I just hold on to the end, kind of give it a tease, and that's gonna separate it without having to comb through it. Maybe give us a little tease in the back, this area. So I'm just gonna lift up all the curls. Don't separate them. Just go to the root, and you're just kind of combing out that root area. I'm gonna put a little shine spray. This is by Schwarzkopf, and I'm running out. There's some. This stuff smells so good. And it kind of takes like the static out of your hair a little bit. If there's any pieces you need to recurl, you can go in there and recurl them, but yeah, this will do. But thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.